Hi, my name is Gunderman, and I'm an intern at Students for Free Tibet. I support the Tibet Policies and Support Act, and you should too. As an avid hiker and outdoor enthusiast, I enjoy and appreciate the clean outdoors. That is why I am grateful for having environmental management policies and protections put in place to protect these lands and to have clean drinking water. Tibet has many unique geological and ecological aspects that support biodiversity and vegetation. Tibet provides water to nearly 2 billion people in Asia, and already chemical waste from Chinese mining in Tibet has caused pollution in drinking water. China has also completed a water transfer program diverting billions of cubic meters of water yearly. The construction of large infrastructure projects, including the Sichuan-Tibet Railroad, may lead to the resettlement of thousands of Tibetans and have negative changes in the environment. If TPSA is passed into law, the U.S. Secretary of State and other American agencies would engage with the People's Republic of China, Tibetans, and NGOs to encourage the participation of Tibetans in the development and implementation of environmental management policies. That is why I sent a letter to my senators in support of TPSA, and you should too. Just click the link and use SFT's template to send a letter to your senators. Together, we will make TPSA American law.